congratulations on making it this far. You're almost done with the course, and now you can write programs, you can write graphical user interfaces, you can connect them to databases. Well done so far. You have done the course almost. There's only one piece of the puzzle left. So congratulations on making it this far. A lot of people can't make it this far, and this is the real deal. You have done the major bulk of the course. Now in the next section we're going to talk about software engineering, because a lot of people know about programming but they cannot build software, they cannot build their projects, they fail midway, and software engineering is the reason why that happens. It's a valuable skill to have, and it will help you in your professional life and in normal life as well. And so we will study some engineering principles and how you can engineer software. So in the next section we'll really combine all of these things together to make software that really matters and that really changes the world in a positive way. So I'll see you in the next one.